Peter Andre is gutted to being missing Mother's Day with his wife Amelia this year. The proud dad of four, 49, has revealed that due to work commitments, he won't be spending next Sunday with his family. 3. Peter Andre has revealed work is preventing him from spending Mother's Day with wife Emily. Credit, Instagram/PeteAndrew. 3. Peter and Emily with their big brood. Credit, Instagram. Peter has two children, Amelia, 8, and Theo, 5, with Emily, and shares his eldest kids, Junior, 16, and Princess, 14, with his ex Katie Price. But this year he will be missing Emily's special day as he has to work. Speaking in his OK! Magazine column today, Peter said, "Mother's Day is coming up, but I'm unfortunately working on the date. Hopefully, I'll get to make Emily a lovely breakfast in bed before I set off though." Meanwhile, earlier today Peter revealed he has taken on the new role of his son Junior's manager. It was revealed last year that the 16-year-old signed a huge record deal with Columbia Records. Since then the youngster has been busy in the studio creating music, and now Peter has confirmed that he's going to be very involved in his son's career. Alongside a snap of Junior standing in the studio, Peter captioned the touching Instagram post, "Son, I'm so proud of you, it's unreal. Since we went to the studio that day you have not stopped. Every single day and night you graft for your craft. You are humble and kind, and I can't wait for everyone to hear the songs. Get ready everyone. I'm right beside you the whole way. You are my first experience at management, so I hope me and the team help get it right. Heart, 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 heart." At official Junior_Andre at RebelRex at Columbia. Over the past few months, Junior has teased the release date of his new music, leaving scores of fans desperate to hear the teen's musical debut. Last year Junior revealed that he had signed a mega record deal, and in October he pulled an all-nighter shooting the video to his first single. Junior's dad Peter is of course famed for being a pop star in the 90s, thanks to his huge hit Mysterious Girl. 3. Junior signed a mega record deal last year, and now dad Peter is managing him. Credit, Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.